Hello there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of technology and its work and connect. Let's kick things off by delving into the digital revolution. Remember the days of flip phones and dial-up internet? Well, those days are long gone. Today we are connected like never before thanks to smartphones, high-speed internet, and social media. Stop. Let's talk about work and automation. Technology has disrupted a bunch of industries, changing the way we earn a living. AI and remote control work have been the new norm. It's a brave new world out there. Data and privacy are hot topics these days. We're sharing more personal information online than ever before. It's essential to be mindful of data security and how information is used. Lastly, let's peek into the future of technology. From self-driving cars to augmented reality, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's crucial to use technology for the betterment of society. And there you have it, a humorous take on technology's impact on society. Remember, technology is a tool, and how we use it matters. If you enjoyed this tech-filled adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Stay tuned for our next tech extravaganza, where we'll explore gadgets and other geeky wonders. Until then, keep embracing the digital age and keep those jokes rolling.